So one question that I get is how to let people know of your event. So one thing I like to do is set up a sticker with a countdown. So like for example, this will be the late happy hour. And then we're gonna select the date and the time. So it's gonna be for tomorrow. It's not all day. So you gotta unselect. You saw how I did that, unselect for it to give you the time. So it's Thursday tomorrow at 6:30. So let me swipe through tomorrow. Done. Okay, so when you do that, you get a countdown kind of going, but if you click on this arrow, it will say people will be able to turn on reminders and share this countdown to their story. But a lot of people actually do not know that. So what I suggest is to make this a little smaller just for these purposes. So go back to your GIF, pick out an arrow. There we go. If I can spell arrow, I like this one. I'm gonna move it around. Oops, not my image. Oh boy. City. Okay, so y'all get the idea, but I'm gonna have an arrow right here kind of pointing right there. And then what I'm going to say is click here for a reminder. And so what this will do is it will let your audience know that they actually have to click right here in order to get the reminder, because it will set up a reminder, and you really want to let your audience know that, because they will get a notification through Instagram that, hey, this event that you just wanted, that you just you wanted this countdown for, it's about to happen. So that way you're more likely to get people on your lives or whatever your event that you're having. So there you go.